If you need to unlink a bank account from your Bitstamp account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is done correctly. Step 1. Log into your Bitstamp account. Access the Bitstamp website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your two-factor authentication ready if it's enabled. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings option. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by a profile icon or your account name. Step 3. Access Payment Methods. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Payment Methods or Bank Accounts. Click on this option to view all linked accounts. Step 4. Select the bank account to unlink. In the Payment Methods section, locate the bank account you wish to unlink. There should be an option to manage or edit this account. Step 5. Confirm unlinking the account. After selecting the bank account, look for an option to unlink or remove it. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision, ensuring that you understand any implications of unlinking the account. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be successfully unlinked from your Bitstamp account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Bitstamp's customer support for assistance.